Alright, what's up, you guys? We had a bike check today. We had a Robinson. I kind of turned it into a BMX bike. Everything's original. The rims are custom. And the handlebars ain't. No, I ain't got them. So, yeah. The forks, they're really rare. I think there ain't even that many of them. And it got a little R. Sorry, the flash is kind of like right there. Can't really see it though. Can kind of see it. But there's an R there for Robinson. And a couple other things on there. So yeah, that's it for the bike check. Alright, thanks. Don't forget to slap that like button.